All right, welcome to the final part of our press conference here today for the FIBA Basketball World Cup Asian Qualifiers Window 4. With us, Scotty Thompson, Carl Tamayo, Kevin Cambao, and Chris Newsome. Let me start off with Scotty. Scotty, you were not able to join the team the last time. You were injured. You're coming off an injury. How are you feeling now, and what made this the right time para makabalik ka na sa Gilas?
Well, of course, truly blessed and honored again na makasama sa Gilas, no? Truly privileged na mapaglaro para sa bayan. And we know not everyone na nagkakaroon ng opportunity dito. As long as I'm healthy, no? 100%, no? I always say yes para sa bayan.
Carl, usually dun sa rotation ni Coach Tim, ikaw yung pumabalik pag nagpapahinga si Justin Brownlee. Now, we know that he's not going to be playing. So, how are you taking this as a challenge personally and for the entire team na kailangan yung punan, yung hindi nyo makukuha kay JB? Sama-sama, syempre, hindi lang naman ikaw. Laki ng team mo eh.
I think challenge para sa amin kasi alam naman ng lahat gaano kalaking part si JB sa national team, especially sa system ni Coach Tim. Siguro, yun yung challenge na sa harapan namin. So, bawat isa dapat talaga magtulong-tulungan para matakpan namin yung pagkawala ni JB for this window. But I think we're practicing hard naman to prepare the team for this window. And hopefully, makuha natin yung dalawang panalo para mas bigger chance para makapaglaro tayo sa World Cup.
KQ, you've been getting a bigger and bigger role every time you come back for Gilas Pilipinas duties. So how are you, paano mo ginagamit yun na basihan para makita how much you improve pag bumabalik ka playing for Gilas?
I mean, from the start na kinuha kami ni Coach Tim at the very first window, sinabi ko na sa sarili ko na stay ready lang every time. Whenever the opportunity na may dumating, isize ko na the moment and make the most out of it. And I'm thankful and blessed na may mga teammates na binibigyan ako kumpiyansa every single game. So yeah.
No, you were about to be the super senior of the squad as Junmar was ready to hang up his Gilas jersey, but you're now being one of the younger guys again. Just your reaction to Junmar getting the call back and not even thinking twice about rejoining Gilas, even if he wanted to retire the last window.
Yeah, I think that speaks volume of Junmar's character, the type of person he is, that even though he may have wanted to hang it up after the last window, whenever that call came, he didn't decline it, and I don't think he thought twice about declining it. And it just shows the type of people that you want in this program, ones that are going to sacrifice, from their own personal time for themselves and put their best foot forward for the country every time they get the call. And I think everybody on this team has their sacrifices and things that they have given up just so they can be in this position. So something that we always talk about is never taking this opportunity for granted. Me being one of the older guys here, I definitely don't take it for granted. I try to pass down all that knowledge that I've had throughout my experiences here on Gilas to these younger guys that are coming up. And they're definitely receptive to that, and you can see with how they play that they're gaining more and more experience, and all I can do is really just share my leadership and the knowledge that I have and pass that down so that way they can continue to carry the torch like the guys that did for us, the guys that came before us. So yeah, definitely speaks volume of the character of not just Junmar but everybody on this team.
May I just add, you've been one of the veterans of the team. Just how crucial is it na wala or there is an absence of Justin for this window, and how exactly is the team realigning given that absence?
Yeah, like Carl said, everybody knows JB. He's a great player. He's one of the best imports to ever play in the PBA. He knows the system really well. But again, like Carl said, it's going to take everybody. It's not going to be one person that makes up for JB's absence, but it's going to have to be all of us to pitch in and contribute in any way that we can.
Scotty, naglaro ka na nung against Meralco, so yun ka na-come in ng isang game pa lang yung since nung injury mo, pero since nung Meralco game, kumusta na yung
For me, a lot better right now, no? Mas mahaba yung preparation, mas mahaba na yung napapractice ko. And malaking bagay yun na nakapaglaro ako ng first game kasi na-feel ko yung rhythm ng during game. So, iba kasi yung pag-game tapos practice lang. So, malaking bagay for me and a lot healthier right now than before.
How about nung tune-up against yung Korean team tsaka yung kanina yata tune-up kayo. So, kumusta din nun?
Okay naman, 100% better naman. So, wala namang sumasakit. And I'm ready to go. I think everyone sa amin, we're ready na.
Carlin, KQ, you're gonna come to this window. Very crucial yung games. Kailangan mapanalo nito or at the very least, magkaroon kayo ng chance na nandun pa rin kayo dun sa top 4. We're taking this challenge sa second round ng qualification.
I mean, for me, bigay lang namin yung best namin as a young guns dito sa team. I mean, kung ano lang kaya ko i-contribute, gagawin ko lang for the team, for the country.
Same thing. Siguro, kung ano lang yung pwede kong may ambag sa team na maging effective kasi iba yung team na to eh. There's a lot of talent in this team. So dapat we stick on our role kung anong dapat namin gawin to help the team win the 2 games na parating. It's gonna be crucial for us, especially sa amin ni KQ kasi wala si Justin. I don't think naman na magawa namin yung ginagawa ni Justin. I mean, no one in our team can be like Justin, but think kung ano lang kaya namin na ibigay para matulungan yung bansa natin.
Chris, you were part of the Asian Games team that battled against Iran and Jordan. How challenging will these 2 games be?
It's definitely going to be a challenge. Anytime you're playing for your country, you definitely want to play with a lot of pride. And me and Scotty, we definitely played against them in the Asian Games, and I think they still remember that. This is going to be a completely new team, though. I think there's only about 3 players that are on the Jordan team that we played against. However, that same hunger is going to be there for them, especially coming to the Philippines. Everyone knows the crowd that we're going to bring, the energy that we're going to bring, and they're going to do their best to try to upset us here. So for us, it's just about staying focused on the task at hand. Regardless of who we play, whoever's in their lineup, we want to go out there and play hard and compete, and most importantly, just get the win.
Kevin, can you just talk about being comfortable dun sa role mo? Kasi nga, every window nakikita namin na talagang consistent. Even yung outside shooting mo, maganda lagi yung napapakita mo.
For me, yung opportunity dumating lang. Tinake advantage ko lang siya. And yeah, yung points ko naman is galing sa system. So, yeah, for me, I'll just keep working hard na maging mas maging fluid pa on the upcoming windows.
Final call for questions. Raise your hand.
Kay Carl and KQ, ano lang yung pakiramdam na andito si Kai for this window?
Siyempre malaking bagay kasi alam naman natin anong impact ni Kai sa game. Yung size niya, yung talent niya, yung IQ niya sa game. Matagal na namin na naantay si Kai na join the national team. I think malaking bagay kasi mababago yung takbo ng laro namin, especially defensively and sa rebound. Sobrang mas magiging matibay tayo sa part din sa laro. I'm very happy na Kai nakabalik na healthy. I'm looking forward talaga sa this window for Kai.
Para sa akin, very happy na nakabalik si Kai. Alam naman natin siya sa big piece for this Gilas team. And nakita naman natin last na naglaro siya yung gano'ng walang impact na nabigay niya sa atin. So, yeah, I mean, sobrang laking tulong ni Kai for us. And ayun nga, we'll just do our roles lang and stick to the system.
Scotty, ayun nga kasi medyo may si Justin ata likely out for this window. Being his teammate din sa Ginebra, anong tingin mo doon sa absence ni JB for this window, and paano nyo kaya mapupunan yun, yung absence?
Like everyone was saying, mahirap i-fill yung spot ni Justin, just one guy. We need to step up each and every one sa amin. No? It's a collective effort and a team effort para sa amin. We all know talagang malaking bagay si Justin, but we need to face the reality right now na wala siya ngayon. So, we need to step up as a team. Next
No,
one.
since this is the last part of the press conference, why don't you invite all of our Gilas Pilipinas fans to come out and support in our next games on the 28th and the 30th for this window?
Yes, all the Gilas Filipinas fans out there, we need your help, we need your support, we need your cheers. We have our first game against Jordan on the 28th, and then we play Iran on the 30th. So every cheer will be heard, and we're always going to be playing for you guys. Thank you.
Maraming salamat, and on that note, we end this press conference for Gilas Pilipinas heading into the FIBA Basketball World Cup Asian Qualifiers Window 4. Thank you, everyone, and have a good rest of your day. For those who have already received their accreditation, you can use that pass for all of the games. So kahit isa lang po yung natanggap nyo na accreditation for a Gilas game, you can come in as early as you want, cover the Australia, New Zealand, Syria, Jordan games. That is going to be allowed. So you just only will need one accreditation to cover all of the games for the upcoming window. Maraming salamat po.